polarity. The first thing first, I confirmed the continuity of the cable, and then I discovered, if you check the sound, it means it's continuous on this, it's continuous, and here it's also continuous this way. That has been tested. And check the other terminal, also continuous. So, and there is no short between the two, meaning the cable is okay. Now that means the problem is on board, and that's what we are trying to see if we could narrow it down. Now, what's the problem? There is a challenge with the polarity. The two polarity are bridged together, meaning that there is a challenge along